Alright, I'm down here in the bottom at the camp house on the lake, and I'm trying to make my way around through here, but it's so much damn water it ain't funny, but I ain't sure, but I think it's up in the camp house again. Ah, crap. Tree! Hang on, let me get out of here. I'm gonna make my way back around here. Current's kind of strong right here. Tree! Tree! Get back over here. I can't tell whether it's up in the camp house or not, but it's pretty damn close if it ain't. It's really damn close. Really, 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 really close. Look right there. There's the water level. See if I can ease over a little bit where I can see. Okay, I got the boot stuck now. Crap.